In today's video, we will take out the rear tail light of 2022 Nissan Maxima. We'll start taking out the clip using the door upholstery remover which is inside the trunk. It is one of the bigger clips we notice. Then there's another clip on the inner quarter panel side which we need to take out. There we partially uncover the tail light portion. Notice there are two nuts which we need to take out using 8mm wrench. Once the nuts are taken out, now we take out the plug for the tail light itself. It is a little deep inside, so you might need to stretch your arm a little bit. To take out the plug, you need to press and hold the knob on top of the plug. Pull the plug on the opposite side and there you will end up taking out the plug. That is the knob that we were talking about. Now we slightly pull the rear tail light. There is a partition that is holding the wire from the middle, and there is a plastic circle that we need to take out. Bam shazam, with that the tail light has finally been taken out. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.